Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using technical analysis, which means we are going to trade on support and resistance levels, uptrends, downtrends, and other patterns on the market. Guys, I will have $89 on my deposit, and my plan will be to increase this amount up to $5,000 or $6,000. Let's see what will happen at the end of this video. And if I will be able to do that, I will leave a withdrawal request. So it's going to be super interesting, guys. I just want to remind you that I use 15-second Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market. I will open deals from 1 to 5 minutes, of course. Everything will be depending on the situations. And so, my dear traders, I can't wait to start. Let's go. So guys, here at the bottom we have a support level, and at the same time we see that the price came to the zone. After that, from the support level, the reaction happened and there was a rollback upwards. After the rollback, the price stopped and there is a fading. Also, at the same time, we see that the general potential of the price went down. The main price highs became lower. So guys, in this case, let's open a deal for 5 minutes to go down. It is quite likely that in the near future the price will reverse and continue moving towards the support level. And guys, it is on this downward movement that we will try to earn. I also took 5 minutes time frame with the margin of safety, considering the possibility of consolidation or rollback upwards. And guys, as you can see, we already have a deep upward retracement. However, I hope that in this situation the price will reverse and continue moving downward in the near future. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. I hope 5 minutes will be totally enough here. Join my private channel for free trading signals. So guys, that's great. As you can see, indeed, after the rollback upwards, the price turned around and no less confident red candles began to form. The price approached the support level quite confidently, and guys, we managed to earn on this movement. 5 minutes were totally enough for us, and so my dear traders, that's a great start. Let's continue. Okay guys, after some time we see that there was a rollback from the support level, and at the same time there has also been a certain fading out at the moment. Guys, we see that the price high is becoming lower than the previous one. The trend of price highs is still present. This means that it is quite likely that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level, and here we'll also open a deal for 5 minutes to go down on a downtrend. Guys, let's try to work on this movement again. I hope that 5 minutes will be enough for us this time, and so let's wait for the end of our deal.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
Great guys, as you can see, after another rollback up, the price turned around and again red candles began to form. We managed to earn on this movement, guys. 5 minutes were also quite enough for us, and so guys, as you can see, we are managing to correctly predict further price movements. Guys, let's continue. Okay, here at the bottom we have a certain level of support. Also, we see that at the moment the price has come closer to this level and there is a rollback upwards. Now I will set a horizontal line for clarity according to the lower values of these candles. This is our support level. At the same time, we also see that recently the price moving down quite confidently. Mostly red candles are formed. Also, the main price highs become lower. And so let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down here, guys. It is likely that this level will be broken in the near future. I have also chosen 2-minute time frame with a margin of safety, considering the possibility of a breakout or reversal, since the price is next on potential for a decline and is forming strong red candles. Guys, I believe that this time frame will be sufficient, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Guys, that's amazing because, guys, as you can see, the price has really broken through the support level and we got the profit here. As the price is moving down confidently, red candles are forming. The price has a really great potential to go down here, guys. Let's continue our trading session. Guys, in this situation, I suggest that we immediately open 1 minute deal down since we see that we have a support level here. We also see that there was a good confident downtrend here. After a slight pullback from the level, the price turned around, formed impulsive red candles, and the price went beyond the level. The price has an excellent potential for a decrease, and it is more likely that the price will continue to move down, which means that the support level will be fully broken. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money, guys. Well, it is likely that we will get into the very impulsive moment of the price down, and as a rule, in such situation, 1 minute is quite enough. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, the price really continued to move down, and as you can see, an impulsive red candle was formed. We were able to make money on this movement. 1 minute was just enough for us, guys. The price really has great potential to go down. Well, in most cases, such trading situations work out perfectly. And so, my dear traders, let's continue our trading session. So, here at the bottom, we have a support level. At the same time, we see that at the moment there is a downtrend, the price moving down and approaching this level. At the same time, there is still room before the support level. So I suggest in this case to open a deal with a margin for 5 minutes to go down on the downtrend. Since we also see here that the price has an excellent potential to go down with a greater probability that in the near future the price will continue to move down. Guys, I also took 5 minutes, take into account the possibility of consolidation or rollback upwards. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, guys, as you can see, there was indeed a pullback. However, after the pullback, the price reversed and red candles began to form. The price indeed continuing to move towards the level, and we have managed to profit from this movement, guys. Everything is going great. Let's continue the trading session. So here at the top, we have a resistance level. At the same time, we see that at the moment, the price moving up quite confidently and is approaching our level. Guys, here I suggest in this case to open a deal for 2 minutes to go up on the uptrend. The price has an excellent potential to go up, and with a great probability that the price will continue to move up. And it is also quite possible that this level will be broken, guys. I hope that 2 minutes will be enough for us in this situation. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, that's quite good. The price really continued to move to the level and we get a profit. 2 minutes was just enough for us. We managed to work with you on this upward movement. And well, let's continue our trading session. Guys, here we see the resistance level. Also, we see that at the moment there is an uptrend. The price is moving up and approaching the resistance level. At the same time, we also see that the main price lows are becoming higher. And I suggest in this case to open a deal for go up for 5 minutes on an uptrend. Guys, surely in the near future the price will continue to move up. It is on this moment we'll try to earn. Guys, I hope that 5 minutes here will be totally enough for us, and we can see that the price has been moving in waves recently, and as you can imagine, even in an uptrend there can be some pullbacks in the opposite direction. And guys, since the price moving in this manner, I believe that 5 minutes will be sufficient here. So my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. Guys, as you can see, the price has indeed continued to move towards the level and we got the profit. At the same time, 5 minutes was quite enough for us. Also, we can see that the price hasn't yet reached the resistance level. At the same time, the main price lows are updated and become higher. So next deal I will open here, only this time we will enter for 3 minutes. Also, we will go up following the uptrend. It is likely that the price will continue to move upwards. It is also possible that this level will be broken. I hope that 3 minutes will be totally enough for us in this situation. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Guys, that's very good because the price really continued to move upwards. Also, this level was broken through and here we got profit. 3 minutes were just enough for us. Well, meanwhile, I already have more than $5,000 on my deposit. I propose to open one more, the last one for today, and if it will be profitable, I will finish our trading. So guys, let's continue. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. Also, there is a resistance level at the top. After touching the level, the price rolled down, and here after the rollback, after some time, it again approached this level. At the moment, after a small rollback, there is a kind of squeezing of the level. We see that the price again continued to move to the level, although there was a certain attenuation. But I suggest to open a deal to go up for 2 minutes. Since the price has an exponential to rise recently, it is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. It's also possible that the level will be broken. We will try to make a profit on this upward movement. Guys, I believe that 2 minutes will be sufficient for us in this case, even considering the possibility of consolidation or downward reversal. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Guys, that's quite good. Although this level hasn't yet been broken, but still the upward movement continued. And we managed to work with you on this upward movement. Well, meanwhile, I already have $7,857 on deposit, so I suggest that we end our trading. And since I managed to achieve our goal, then I suggest leaving a withdrawal request. So we click on the withdrawal button in the upper right corner. After that, we are taken to the next menu. In this line, we need to select a payment method. There are various options available, but I will choose Binance Pay. Then in this line, we need to enter the amount we want to withdraw. I will be requesting a withdrawal of $7,800. I will enter this amount here. In the next two lines, I will enter my name. Next, we need to select our Binance email accounts. Then in the bottom line, we need to insert the email address of our Binance account. Now, since we have fulfilled in all the lines, we can click on the confirm button. And so guys, our application has been accepted and will be reviewed in the near future. Then the amount of $7,800 will be credited to my Binance platform. In most cases, this doesn't take much time. Therefore, I will now wait for the funds to be credited on my Binance platform. And yeah, once it will happen, guys, we will continue. Okay guys, here we are on Binance platform. The funds have already been credited to my account and this is the highest payment. I suggest that we take a closer look and click on the details button. So as you can see guys, we got here 7,800 USDT. It took about an hour from the moment the request was made on the Quotex platform until the funds were credited to the Binance platform. And as you can see guys, this time the funds were withdrawn quite quickly. The same time they were credited in full, and of course there were no problems. The Quotex platform always pays out your earnings on time. Guys, this works so simple and it's safe to withdraw money here. So this is the end of my trading session, guys. As you can see, to withdraw funds from Quotex platform, it's quite simple and easy. And yeah, I always get the whole amount that I was able to earn. So this platform is trustworthy and I didn't face any problems with that. And so my dear traders, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Also guys, I have a closed community where I share my trading signals. They are totally for free. So if you want to get them, guys, super easy. Text me a code word signal on my Telegram. I will leave all the essential and important links down below. So don't forget to check them out. And so guys, I wish you to have successful trading sessions on your own and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.